How to set up Google Analytics 4, tips and tricks for beginners. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and incredible day. I bring you back with yet another great video, and in this video we're going to be discussing about Google Analytics 4, its properties, and all the great tips and tricks you can do to, set yourself up and work along with Google Analytics. So, firstly, what you're going to do is obviously you're going to head into the analytics.google.com URL. Now, once you're here, obviously you're going to sign up with any account. You can sign up with any type of Gmail you have, any type of Google account you have. It's totally free. If you don't have a Google account, please do make sure to set up a Google account. And it's pretty basic, it's pretty easy stuff. Now, once you've done that, firstly, what you're going to do is you're going to create a property for yourself. Now, you're probably wondering what creating a property is. Creating a property is like naming your area or naming your domain that, okay, this is my property. This is where I'll be, having a whole data stream and everything. So let's say if I were to go here, I'm going to click on create property. Okay. And once I go and create property, here it says property details. A property represents a business's web and or app data. An account can contain one or more properties. And like if you want to create a new property for an existing Firebase project, you can go to the Firebase account if you want to, but we're going to make a basic property. Okay. Create a Google Analytics 4 property, measure your web or app data. I'm going to call it new demo. I'm just going to call it that. Then make sure you're going to, choose your own correct reporting time zone, choose your currency, and you're also going to have the advanced option of creating a universal analytics property. But after you've done all that, okay, what you're going to do now is you're just going to click on next. Now here it's going to ask you about all the other data, like it's going to say help us tailor your experience by answering the following questions. So first of all, you're going to choose your industry category, okay? Now in the industry category, you have all these, choices like arts and entertainment, autos and vehicles, beauty and fitness, books and literature, business and industrial. You have computers and electronics, finance, food and drink, games, health, hobbies, home, internet and telecom, jobs and education. Like you have all these things. So you can choose whatever, goes well with your business category. Choose whatever your business or website or data stream is related to. I'm going to go with sports. Here it says business size, small and very large. So small has 1 to 10 employees, medium has 11 to 100 employees, large has 101 to 500 employees, and very large has 501 plus employees. So go with whatever your business size is. Obviously, I'm going to go with medium for now. And here it says, how do you intend to use Google Analytics with your business? Check all that apply. So firstly, you can measure your customer management with your site or app, optimize your site or app experience, measure data across multiple devices or platforms, optimize your advertising costs and everything like that. So you can check all of them if you want to. Obviously it depends on whatever types of analytics you want for your website. So go ahead and check all of them if you want to. And if you have any other preference, you can just write it down here and tell it to the Google Analytics 4 people. Now, once you've done that, you're going to click on create. Once you click on create, here you go. Your basic property has been created. Okay. Now in this property, what you're going to do is you're going to track a website. Basically, what that means is that you're going to add a data stream to your website. So as you can see, start collecting data. To set up data collection for your website or app, choose from where you will be collecting the data, the web, an app, Android app, or an iOS app. Next, you'll get instructions from adding a data collection tag to that source. So obviously you're going to choose a platform. You have web, Android app, and iOS app. I'm going to be going with web. You can go with whatever you want. Now, once you go over there, you're obviously going to input a website for yourself. Choose if it's in HTTPS or HTTP. Once you do that, you're going to put in your own website. So, add a website from, your WordPress or something like that. So if I were to go, on my WordPress website, it opens the dashboard and it's going to give you, your main WordPress domain. Make sure you have a domain. If you don't have a domain, it won't really work for you. Nothing will really happen. So once you, wait, I'm going to copy my domain. Okay. Now, once you have copied your WordPress domain, what you're going to do is, there we go, fruits89.wordpress.com. So I'm going to write fruits89.wordpress.com. Now, once you enter that, you're going to enter the stream name for your website. And once you do that, You're going to choose if you want enhanced measurements, like automatically measures interactions and content on your sites in addition to standard page view measurement. You have data from on-page elements such as links and embedded videos, which may be collected with relevant events. You must ensure that no personally identifiable information will be sent to Google. Now in the measuring, you can see you have page views, scrolls, outbound clicks, and everything like that. You can also like mess around with it using the settings. I'm gonna call this demo, and once you do that, you're gonna click on create stream. And what it's gonna do is it's gonna take the website's if it's obviously a like proper website that exists like mine, it's gonna take it. Okay, there's the stream URL. You get your stream ID, you get your measurement ID, and now it's obviously gonna tell you to install this Google tag. So to install this, what's going to happen here, it says install your Google tag. You can use a website builder or CMS to finish setup automatically or install your tag manually. To ensure you get accurate measurement, make sure your tag is installed on every page of your site. So you can either do it using a website builder or CMS, or you can install it manually. And to install it manually, all you need to do is below is the Google tag for this account. Copy and paste it in the code for every page of your website. Immediately after the head element, don't add more than one Google tag to each page. So you can just copy this, go to your website's code, okay? For your code, obviously you're gonna go in appearance and you're gonna go on, your CSS. And once you go in your CSS, from there on out, just add it in there, or you can just use a website builder. So here it says get installation instructions by scanning a URL or choosing your website platform. Then it says detected WordPress on your website, choose a plugin below. So you can choose these plugins. Once the Monster Insights plugin, and the other one is Sitekit plugin. So you can choose these if you want to. Once you've chosen them, obviously just install it. And once it's directly installed to your website, make sure to install the Google Analytics to a website as well. So to install that, all you're going to do is, let's say you're on WooCommerce, okay? Now, once you're on WooCommerce, obviously you're going to go to plugins, which is also like, applications. So once you're here, you're going to write Google Analytics as so. Once you write that, here you go. WooCommerce Google Analytics integration, or, Google Analytics GA. Pretty cool, pretty easy stuff. And once you do that, then you can obviously go ahead and, implement everything. See your analysis on Google Analytics for your WordPress site. You can see your data retention, and you can also track multiple websites while defining internal traffic. So it's pretty basic and pretty easy stuff. And yeah, that's mainly how you're going to use Google Analytics for with, how you're going to set it up and use it with your website. Now, if you found this video helpful, please drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, please let me know down in the comments below and I'll make more for you. And also, if I left anything out or I made a mistake, please let me know that as well, and I'll fix it for you immediately. But yeah, until then, I hope you all keep having a great day. That was all from me, and I will see you all next time. Goodbye.